Yeah, hi guys. In this section, we are going to see how to, how to deploy a HTML page or a project into the GitHub pages. So I have one HTML, file here with me. So I just named with index.html. So if I go and execute this index.html, yeah, I will be finding this kind of information like choose an option like tea and coffee. So I want to deploy this one to the GitHub pages. So I want to deploy this one to the GitHub pages so that, yeah, now I have few repositories here. So I just want to create a new repository. That repository name I am going to create as some sample HTML. Okay. So, and I'm going to create a repository, and once I created the repository, I'll be finding here the few commands here. So these commands, I have to execute them to push this, to make a connection to the GitHub from my local. So where I want to give these commands, I want to give these commands inside my, terminal. So this is the folder which is containing index.html. So here only I have to paste the commands. The first command is a readme command. The second command, is like git init. And the third command, I am going to add one readme file which I created in the above first line, right? That one. And fourth command, I am going to do one small commit. Let me mention it as first commit. And the fifth command, I am going to establish a remote connection from my local to the Git. And coming for the last command, I am going to push the files to the master. So once I pushed this master, now if I go and check this sample.html, I will be finding only this readme file which is having some sample HTML, this information. So I want to add the files, right? So git add, I am going to see first git status. So if I find the git status, I will be finding this red mark is the one which is added file. So this file I am going to use. I am going to add this file to the system, to the git. So once I clicked on this and git commit -m, I am going to do here some kind of initial commit in it. This is one more command to commit my changes. So it will show like one file is changed with 15 insertions. So now I want to give my branch name. So if I am checking my branch name, I'll be finding it says master. So I want to push my changes to the master now. So once I pushed the changes to the master, now I will be finding index.html here. Now I will be finding index.html here. If I don't have this index.html here, it won't get deployed to the GitHub pages. So in our root folder, we should have definitely index.html. Such like if I am going to execute that file, that should be running. Yeah, now so this index.html is the file which should be, once I am running the file, it should be showing the output. Okay, then like that only we have to create the index.html in the root folder only. So now I want to go to the settings and I want to come down here to the GitHub pages in the source, whatever I have, right? this here I will be finding master branch of GitHub pages, master branch for GitHub pages. So I have selected it. So it refreshed. Now I will be finding your site is ready to be published at this link. So this link I have to take, and I want to copy this link here and paste it. So this is how you have to deploy your Git to the, your application to the Git. Thank you for watching.